गॉड, घर पे फुल ताम झाम काम चालू है।
My kitchen's ready, so I have to show you my kitchen. Oops, guys, 2 मिनट।
सब ठीक है ना?
ये आज ही होना था।
सुनो, मेक श्योर कारपेंटर्स जाने से पहले
Yeah.
आप ये फिक्स करा लेना।
हमारा हनीमून ये है, प्लम्बर को मिलो, एक दिन इलेक्ट्रिशियन को मिलो, एक दिन वाटर प्रूफ स्पेशलिस्ट को मिलो।
वेलकम टू मैरिड लाइफ।
I know, it's pretty leaky. He keeps calling it my room. I
Okay.
said it's our den. It's not your room. This is my powder bathroom, which I am very, very proud of.
Where did you find this beautiful tile यार?
सुंदर ना? हमें 2 घंटे से काम चल रहा है।
भैया आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 मिनट। I'm sure you are hearing that for many months now.
Pandit ji came and he made us ublo doodh. I'm scared of fire, and Sharan is Sharan. He even set this beautiful new house on fire.
Okay, no.
Like a true bahu.
Wow, हमें नई बहू पसंद है।
Spice Peruvian potato burger,
Okay.
truffle shroom burger, grilled chick burger, and some fries.
Alia made a speech about you as to how you have an independent
Yeah.
relationship with all the 9 girls of the group.
Yeah. All childhood school friends. Attiya and I got closer because I was trying to set her and Rahul up. I am the queen settler of the world. We didn't call anybody who we just didn't adore and they didn't adore us.
So you didn't have any Fufaji who was naraz.
Many fupas were naraz. And Sharan, I don't like being touched. I say, Bhagwan, इस लड़के का
I hope he doesn't say that to you. I hope not. New home, new surname, new routine. Newly married couples सिर्फ Instagram पर ही perfect लगते हैं because there is so much work that happens behind the scenes. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we are going to step into Akanksha Ranjan's home as she is stepping into a beautiful new chapter in her life. पर घर पर फिलहाल काफी chaos है. Let's go. कांची रे कांची आकांक्षा
I love that.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to my WIP home.
Hi. I'm good and congratulations.
Thank you, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Newly married glow.
Yes.
I can see that.
Yes, that's me.
But I can see पूरा घर में full swing में काम चालू है.
It's never ending. ये मेरे को किसी ने बताया नहीं कि ये कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता ये काम. So हमारा हनीमून ये है. एक दिन प्लम्बर को मिलो, एक दिन इलेक्ट्रिशियन को मिलो, एक दिन वाटर प्रूफ स्पेशलिस्ट को मिलो. ये हो रहा है हमारा.
Welcome to married life.
I know, it's pretty leaky. It's pretty leaky.
Where's Sharan?
He has left me on the Monday right after the wedding. By the way, he's your biggest fan, and
is it?
he has got Firni for you, and he's messaged me twice. Let Kamya know Firni
my
from me. Let
God,
Kamya
I
know
wish I could
Firni
have
from me.
met him.
I know, and he keeps. I mean, please tell her the Yuvraj Singh episode was the best episode I've ever
wow.
seen. So he's a fan, like a genuine
I'm
fan.
so happy to hear this.
Yeah.
But I would love to see what you're building here.
So this corridor, so this, I put these 2 lamp things. I thought all our family photos will come here. So, you know, our wedding photos, some family, some upar niche, big different sizes. My kitchen's ready. So I have
Okay,
to show
can we
you my
see the kitchen?
Yes. Oops, guys, 2 minute.
सब ठीक है ना? ओह
ये आज ही होना था.
चलो अच्छा है, कारपेंटर
आज
यही
ही
है.
होना था.
कारपेंटर यही है, हम बुला लेंगे. Nice.
Yes. So, yeah, full thing.
Fancy.
By the way, I'm the interior decorator of this house. So every single thing is done by me.
Really? And
Yeah.
this is the first time you've done a house?
First
Yeah. You are very good at
Gusoi.
it.
Yeah.
Very, very good at it. If this
Yeah.
is your first project,
Yeah.
I have to say this is amazing.
Yay.
I see a career opportunity here.
Me too.
But did you enjoy the whole process?
It gets exhausting by the end because you're like, अच्छा अभी खत्म हो जाए, please.
But nice. But the kitchen is functional.
Yeah, it's fully functional.
Okay.
आज का खाना is like
Amazing. यही बना है आज का खाना. आप
I've ordered
Okay.
from the best burger place in Bombay. You are going to thank me.
तो रस्म होती है कि किचन में पहले कुछ बनाना होता है. So did you do that?
So the house puja, that time the Pandit ji came and he made us ublo doodh and all of those
Okay.
things, and I'm scared of fire, and Sharan is Sharan. So both of us are like
both of you are scared.
And my mother is looking, she's saying, क्या होने वाला है इस घर में, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं, because we could not उपलोग दूध properly, but we managed.
Oh
So
my
that's what we
God.
had done. That's
तो
it.
मतलब पर अप्रूव हो गया ना आपका पहला जो भी
Yes,
टेस्ट होता
yes, it
है,
was
पर
all
अभी
good.
कर्ली टेल्स को भी अप्रूव करना होगा, so you have to cook something for us, no?
We will set this beautiful new house on fire.
Okay. No.
So I think we are going to eat Walter's burgers today.
Okay, done. That I'm going to really enjoy burgers with Pivni. Menu पता चल गया आज संडे ब्रंच का क्या है.
This is the study, but it's like
okay.
a full mess.
But this feels like a really nice space. मैं सच
It's
बता रही
beautiful.
हूँ.
It's just like all our books are here. His study stuff is here. Then we're getting all these posters to be up. And this is study station, like his writing.
This is whose den? Is it Sharan?
He keeps calling it my room. I
Okay.
said it's our den. It's not your room.
Sweet.
Yeah.
भैया कब से काम कर रहे हो आप यहाँ पे? 2 घंटा. 2 घंटा. कब खत्म हो रहा है?
I hired these people for today. Curly tails के लिए. हमें 2 घंटे से काम चल रहा है. This is my powder bathroom, which I am very, very proud of.
Where did you find this beautiful tile, yaar?
सुंदर ना?
It's got like such a nice Indian vibe to it, yaar. Your bathroom is amazing. I love the tiles.
Makeup room is totally gone, so no point
There's a
showing.
makeup room also.
So it's my getting ready room, like
Acha.
for shoot and everything. It's a mess. This is
The
TV
makeup
work.
room looks very Instagrammable.
It's very cute. Like it's got the sangria colors. So it's literally for getting ready. Photos, pre-event photos, all of that.
Amazing.
And all my walk-in, like my walk-in wardrobe is there. So all my shoes, bags. बस ये setup है. अरे यादा है, यादा नहीं है.
Wow, पर बहुत सुंदर बनाया है यार ये सब.
Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about the color scheming. Like with this sangria, we've got olive and whites.
No.
But Sundar, I've got olive and blue curtains, like drapes.
भैया आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 मिनट. 2 मिनट में घर बन जाएगा. I'm sure you are hearing that for many months now.
And the living space, finally something I can show off about. मैं बंद कर दे दो, please. I think we need artwork and mirrors. And we are mostly there. Some side table, but mostly we are there with this space.
तो अभी जो बचपन में घर घर खेलते थे, अब फाइनली एक्चुअल घर घर हो रहा है यहाँ पर.
Yeah,
Is that your room?
that's the guest.
Yes, and that's your room.
That's fine. Which again, there are 3 men doing Gisai.
But the view is amazing.
Yeah.
What is it?
So even from our room,
Yeah.
it's the room is even close. Like it's literally our room is the pool. It's very nice.
Nice pool view. गए हो अभी यहाँ पर स्विमिंग करने?
All the time. So I've lived in this building my whole life.
This building?
मैं B wing में रहती थी with my parents,
हाँ.
and then I moved in यहाँ पे A wing.
Oh.
And my sister also got married and moved into the A wing 11th floor. So this building में हमारा खानदान बस spread होते जा रहा है. That's it.
Oh, is it? तो पेरेंट्स अभी यहीं रहते हैं?
Parents भी wing में हैं.
मैं अभी यही पूछने वाली थी कि जब से शादी हुई है मम्मी की याद ज्यादा आ रही है या
आने नहीं देती मम्मा याद. तो आ जाओ. And I'm like बिल्कुल नहीं मम्मा आज तो नहीं. Okay, कल आ जाओ. So याद आने नहीं दे रही है मॉम.
तो अब क्या क्या बदला है शादी के बाद?
Actually, कुछ नहीं, which is a great thing. I get to get his energies, which I have been craving my whole life. क्योंकि मैं बहुत hyper, anxious, stressed out person हूँ और वो बहुत chill, positive, relaxed person है. So मेरा जब भी morning में stress होता था, I would call him and my one thing would be, I can't wait to live with you. I can't wait to wake up to like a peaceful, calm energy. So waking up to just one smiling, langur, chilling, laughing, I'm like, this is good. Like this like
Wow.
worries are like my 5th thought. Which I usually wake up with them. So that's one thing that's changed for the better. Otherwise, nothing really. I'm running a house. I'm adulting very hard. So, but it's fun.
आटे दाल का भाव पता चल रहा है या नहीं?
Exactly. And I'm like, oh, okay. Learning. That's good. That's nice. Mom spoil करने की कोशिश करिए. भेजो कुछ चाहिए कुछ ऐसे नहीं मत भेजो. Let me learn. Let me figure it out.
But your wedding photos were all over the Instagram.
Yeah.
और लिखा था nice intimate house wedding. तो
Yes.
वो कौन से घर में हुई थी? इसी घर में हुई थी या पेरेंट्स के घर
तो
में?
पेरेंट्स के घर में हुई थी. होने वाली थी एक्चुअली मेरे घर में. एंड देन वो वीक शादी का there was a storm जुलाई में remember
Right,
the
yeah.
crazy rainstorm. So हम लोग छपड़े डालने वाले थे and the छपड़ा guys we got like 4 different छपड़ा guys who said चांस ही नहीं है, इतना बड़ा storm है, इतनी बारिश होने वाली है कि सब उड़ने वाला है. So then I was like कि अब क्या करें. तो then I'm panicking and everyone's like ये लोकेशन वो लोकेशन है. सर करना तो घर पे ही है तो क्या करें. And then my dad suggested नीचे garden है, garden में करना है. I said as long as मैं इस building में हूँ, कुछ भी चलेगा. किसी और के भी घर में कर लूँगी. I just want to be in our building because this place is very emotional even for me and Sharan both. Like he's also moved into this building after all. So we did it in the garden नीचे. So it was nice. It turned out good because हम थोड़े और लोगों को बुला भी सकते थे फिर.
Right.
And my walk was nice and long.
Yes.
Like तो living room में इतना हो जाता. So then I got a nice long walk also. So it kind of worked out.
You're doing up your house. You were planning your own wedding.
Yes.
काफी crazy period रहा होगा आपके
Yes,
लिए.
like this year has been run. Like I've adulted very hard this year is all I'll say. I froze my eggs. उसके बाद I started planning the wedding and I was the wedding planner. Then I started doing up the house. I am the interior decorator. My sister's pregnant, so I'm the gynac.
हम eggs mostly women तब freeze करती है when there's uncertainty कि कब शादी
Yeah.
होगी, कब बच्चा होगा.
Yeah.
So just
Yeah.
freeze your healthy eggs now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But you knew you're getting married, but तब भी आपने decide किया.
Correct. I felt कि मैं वैसे भी late हूँ, तो I was like I just want to do it and uncertainty. I knew I was getting married, but uncertainty when I'll want to have children अभी तक है. I don't know. It can be a year or 4, and 4 years go very fast
Yes.
in biological age, you know, because my AMH जो Feb में था, next Jan में it dropped 40%. So it really drops. So I didn't want to take a risk.
Is it painful the process?
Not really. I mean, yeah, but you know how you forget about, you know, जैसे girls के period pains होते हैं, yeah, but then you're like, अच्छा, it's not that bad. Like,
What was Sharan's view?
he was not here again, he was shooting. But he was amazing. He's like, you know, whatever you have to do, you do. And then he would call me and check up. But that's the max he could do. His mom came during my pickup surgery day or whatever.
And what was your love story? How did you and Sharan meet?
So he was single for about 5 years.
Okay.
So his friends are like, chalo now, it's time to date someone, it's time to date someone. Name a girl, just name a girl. So he's told me the story. He's like, when I took your name, it's like, you know, like naming like Jennifer Lawrence. I never thought I'd get her.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's the sweetest thing anyone can ever say. She's like, I named you thinking, obviously, I'll never get her. And he's like, I said, Kanchi, I find her really cute. And that common friend knows me very well, Amrit Pal. And so he met me, he's like, my friend really likes you. I said, really likes me? And he's like, Sharan. And I've seen his profile. I said, I've seen of him, but how can he like me very much? I don't even know him. And I saw he follows me. I was like, I'll follow him back. And then luckily, weirdly, as the stars may have it, 1 week later, there was a very big party happening where both of us were called. And then we went there and Amrit and all the friends made it like a thing ke, oh, you should meet our friend Sharan. And they just shoved me on him. And that night, subah ke 5 baje tak we were chilling. All of us in a group and we just really bonded. And then 4 months later, we were dating.
Like instant sparks when you
Instant
met
spark.
him?
From him,
Okay.
I kind of friend zoned him 20%, but he was like, I knew you were on. So I was like, I was at friend zoned you, but okay, fine. So our wedding day was our 4-year anniversary.
Oh,
Yeah.
which is 11th of July.
Yes.
That's so sweet. तो अभी 1 महीना ही हुआ है. मेहंदी निकल गई सारी?
निकल गई. Thank God, यार.
अच्छा.
You know, peeling इतना लग रहा था.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've got some of your pictures.
Okay.
Okay, जो मैंने अपने Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra के photo assist से कुछ tweaks किए हैं.
Okay.
You have to tell me what has changed, what's missing, and if there's a backstory to the
Oh
picture.
God, okay.
Okay. So tell me what is missing here.
Raj and Janvi. So this was during his film and my film promotion. Yes, correct.
Yes. Ah.
When Mr. and Mrs. Mahi was releasing, so
Right.
3 of them were in office. It
Yeah.
was Dharma Diwali Puja, and so 3 of them were in office for the puja, and I was also there for the puja. And Monica, my darling, was also releasing that time with me and Raj. So we made it like a cross promotion day.
Okay. But did you always want to be an actor?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me what's changed here.
There's lots of food where there was only a Diet Coke. There was no
A
food.
little more than Diet Coke.
Cheetos?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, correct.
Cheetos and Coke. Is that something that you have often?
No, it was just a photo shoot.
Just a photo
Propping,
shoot. Okay.
yes.
What's changed here?
The backdrop, it was only a beach. There was no water.
You're right.
Correct. ये तो अभी हुआ था, I remember.
कहाँ की फोटो है ये?
Maldives.
ये हनीमून?
कहाँ honeymoon last 3 दिन में? This is last year की photo.
अच्छा. So no honeymoon has happened so
No
far.
honeymoon. He's off editing his film.
Oh.
Yeah, we
so
meet at
कुछ
8 p.m. every night.
terms and conditions की अब जाएंगे हम honeymoon में कहाँ जाएंगे?
New Year's. But
Okay.
then I'm shooting. So
Oh my God, such a long way.
exactly. So he's like 2027 December में Indian cricket team is playing in Australia. So I said, तुम जाओ अकेले तब I'll have done honeymoon with somebody else. Excuse me.
He seems like a really big cricket buff.
It's not
like
normal.
मैंने इतने सारे interviews किए हैं and he has seen युवराज सिंह वाला
Exactly.
interview.
It's not normal. It's not normal. That study that I showed you, it was basically a cricket, like a mandir. When he was unpacking his stuff, some small helmet, then some bat, then some this, then some all the winners of the last. I said, "क्या चल रहा है ये?" This is important. This is important. I said, no. Now this is our house. It is not just your house. I cannot have an entire study filled with cricket memorabilia. Excuse me.
बेचारे को बार बार याद दिला रहे हो आप. Our house.
Yeah, he needs to be remembered.
Yeah,
He needs
of
to
course.
be remembered.
Okay, what's changed here?
Both outfits, very much so. My jewelry is the same. Outfits are changed.
Yes, we swapped it.
Yes, correct.
कब की फोटो है ये?
ये reception.
You had like all the functions, full tamjam.
Not really. We did a party and a
Okay.
shadi, bas. So the reception was our gift to our parents, saying, "Okay, kar lo," because we
Acha.
wanted. We both are very non-opulent, non-loud, hectic people. हमको intimate, छोटा, personal, like that's our vibe. तो हमारा first day party also 100 लोगों से ज़्यादा नहीं था. I think उससे भी कम था. And our wedding was again 55 people. So this day was for the parents because of course they had so many friends and guests they wanted to call. So we said, "ठीक है, reception."
But your guest list was like a lot of people from Bollywood. Did it build a lot of pressure कि everything should be perfect? Of course, they're all your friends.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we didn't call anybody who we just didn't adore and they didn't adore us. So at all points, it was like, even if the sky fell down, it's not a worry. Everyone in this room loves us. It was that zone.
That's a good thought actually.
Yeah.
उन्हीं लोगों को बुलाना भी चाहिए शादी
Exactly.
पर.
क्योंकि मैं बहुत high stress person हूँ जैसे मैंने बताया तो if I was throwing a big opulent bash with people who I need to impress मैं पागल ही हो जाती.
So you didn't have any fufaji who was naraz.
They were many fufas were naraz, but
That's a part of the Indian
but
wedding.
such is life. Like I had kind of put my foot down where I said, guys, this is for us. We need to be happy. Random fufas cannot be all satisfied. Sorry.
Okay. What's changed here?
This was in London and not in this location.
Huh.
Yeah, this was in Hyde Park. I remember.
Wow, we've got a Japanese fan and Jaipur for you behind, but the actual picture is this.
Correct. And Hyde Park. I was Attu and Rahul, two friends.
Correct.
Yes. Atiya and I got closer because I was trying to set her and Rahul up. So that's how they both, her and I became very close, and then
You were the Cupid in their love story, kind of.
something like that. Because they were chatting and I was friends with her, I was friends with him. At that time, Rahul and I were much closer. So he made this group of three of us and messaged me on the side, do my setting. So that's how three of us became like a unit, and that's how me and Atiya became very close. And now she's like my
Right.
bestest friend ever.
So you are very good at settings.
I am the queen settler of the world. Like I am so good at this. I thrive on setting people up. I love it.
और किस किस का करा है आपने?
जो आप लोग जानते हो तो I think nobody.
अच्छा. No, we already know one, Atiya and Rahul.
हाँ, that's apart from them I think no one who's in the public eye. मैं
अच्छा.
बहुत करती हूँ. I love it. Fail भी हुए हैं बहुत, but
अच्छा.
setting up I love.
Oh, fail होने में फिर डांट पड़ती है क्या?
नहीं, but try तो किया. कोई और try भी नहीं करता है.
It's a lot of effort and
It's
hard
effort.
work to
It's
do
effort.
it for somebody else. Okay, what's changed here?
Hey, Alia's missing. No? No. Oh, she's there.
No, it's four people only.
Oh, someone's missing.
We've changed the position.
Oh, that's what it is. हाँ, she was there. Someone was
Yeah.
something. हाँ.
ये कब की फोटो है?
हाँ.
कहाँ की फोटो है ये?
Last year, Spain, so we are a group of 9 girlfriends. So yeah, so the 7th one to fall, it was her wedding in Spain.
So now out of 9, how many are single and how many are married?
I was the 9th last one.
All are married
All are
now.
married.
तभी और कोई weddings नहीं हो रही है इस
Zero.
girls
That's why
group
it was a
में.
realization. So 12th reception के रात को everyone's done. 2 days we all chilled. And then one of the girls went, guys, this is our last wedding together. We have to kill it because this is never happening again. So then everyone again got up with like renewed energy. Okay, last wedding in the group.
One of the things about adulting is losing friendship
Yeah.
as you grow older.
Yeah.
But the fact that you still have a girl gang
Yeah.
of 9 of y'all
Yeah.
is a really big deal.
Yeah.
Are you all childhood friends or
We are all childhood school friends. All
All-
9 of us all went to the same school.
and same class?
Same class, same age, which is what makes it also easier because for 12 years we were together. Now I think 5 of them don't even live in India. They live far away, but we make it such a priority that once a year we travel, we meet each other. And that's the big groups. Otherwise, chote, 2, 3, 3, we keep, moving. If we go to see someone, we'll go to a middle ground location. We really put in effort. And I feel me as a person in general also, people pride themselves in being a good parent, a good something. I really pride myself in being a good friend. It matters to me a lot. So I am that friend who is just there.
In fact, I was seeing online, I think Alia made a speech about you
Yeah.
as to how you have an independent
Yeah.
relationship with all
Yeah.
the 9 girls
Yeah.
of the group.
Yeah.
And that's so admirable. And you
Yeah.
are right when you say you find a lot of pride in
Yeah.
calling yourself like a really
Yeah.
good friend.
Yeah. It means a lot to me.
What's changed here?
Outfit colors?
Yes.
Yeah. Mine
You
is
have a
purple.
really good memory, I have to say.
Yeah. I remember.
Where was this picture taken?
Also Maldives, another holiday in Maldives. Yeah.
So do you girls like make a point कि आप लोग साल में एक बार कहीं ना कहीं घूमने
100%.
जाएंगे?
100%. और अगर सब भी नहीं आ सकते तो I'll be like, hey, are you free? I'll come see you for 2 days in your hometown, in your city. But we always make it a point to meet. That's the only way. Otherwise, growing up, it's too easy to
And
lose.
especially more when you get married, you have your
And
own
you have
family
kids,
and you
then
have
it's even
kids.
harder. Which is why you have to make an extra effort. It doesn't just happen. That's for sure. If you don't go out of your way, it won't happen.
Yeah.
So intent is necessary. My best friend is Meghna. Like we travel maybe 5 times a year to see each other. We are together 24/7.
Where does she live?
She lives in New York.
Oh.
So it does help that her work is here. So she
Yeah.
comes 3 times a year to Bombay.
Right.
But then I'm like, okay, you're in Bombay. Yeah, मतलब अलीबाग भी जाना है पर कुछ करना है साथ. We are together all the time.
Yeah, and you also share a very special bond with Alia,
Of course, that's the understood. Yeah.
And but does it get annoying when Bollywood is all about Akanksha and Alia are like really good friends and everything is around that? Then
Yeah.
does it get annoying to you sometimes?
Yeah, I think now it's like, okay, chalo ho gaya. There's more to our lives and us as people to just talk about this.
So Kanchi,
Truffle mushroom.
will you be able to tell me कि नमक कहाँ पड़ा है?
How could you ambush me like this? How? Ta-da!
Not bad. वो कहाँ है? करची घुमाने वाली. So
फोक्स यहाँ है, फोक स्पून सब यहाँ है.
मिल गई. रोटी बेलना आता है?
नहीं.
नहीं. Okay. Okay. Pressure cooker.
I'm
Not
killing it.
bad. Okay. Favorite snack?
स्नैक्स में खाती नहीं हूँ पर जो है यहाँ है. These noise chips.
Oh.
They're healthy, so I
Okay.
dabaw them. Fave snacks means एक ही है. By the way, I have an empty pantry as of now.
But such well organized cupboard, guys.
Yeah.
अच्छा, कांची तेज पत्ता कहाँ पड़ा है?
क्या पता?
तेज पत्ता.
Means
क्या
English
पता?
में ही नहीं.
Bay leaf.
I don't think है ही नहीं. I don't है.
है? आप हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? बताओ. तेज पत्ता.
पत्ते किधर होंगे पत्ते?
पत्ते किधर?
फ्रिज में तो नहीं होते पत्ते ना. फ्रिज में होते हैं हमारे को पत्ते. पत्ते यहाँ. क्या नहीं? गलत? सही? गलत?
नहीं, फ्रिज में नहीं होते.
पत्ते किधर होते हैं?
अच्छा, गरम मसाला. मोटी इलायची.
यहाँ पे मसाले इधर सब. टाडा.
Oh, well done. ये क्या है? इसे क्या कहते हैं?
जार के अंदर कुछ चीज. एक जार के अंदर कुछ.
Have there been any moments जहाँ मम्मी ने बोला कि अब पता चला?
हर रोज.
हर रोज.
हर रोज. जब फर्स्ट टाइम जब वो डिनर के लिए आई थी,
हाँ.
आई वॉज लाइक ऑन स्टेरॉइड्स. कोस्टर ऐसे स्लिप किया, वो खड़ी हुई, ये सब कर रही हूँ, वो
Oh
कर रही
my
हूँ.
God.
एंड शी इज जस्ट सो हैप्पी. शी इज लाइक अभी पता चला कि मेरे घर में कुछ भी ऐसा. मॉम चिल यार, ये बिग डील यार. हियर आई एम लाइक crazily sitting on everybody's heads. Be careful, don't do this, don't do that.
This is karma coming.
It's a quick karma.
Quick karma.
Ready, steady. So I've got truffle mushroom, baby potato, the fries, and in non-vegetarian, a grilled chick.
Wow.
Like a true bahu.
Wow, this is impressive. हमें नई बहू पसंद है.
हाँ, हमें नहीं. तो ये है हमारा स्पाइस पेरुवियन पोटैटो बर्गर, truffle shroom burger, grilled chick burger, and some fries. It's my go-to in general. Like anytime I'm craving anything, It's even like some healthy options are there, little mini sliders. It's just the best restaurant ever.
But मुझे लगा कि आप डाइटिंग शाइटिंग बहुत करते
हाँ
हो.
ये मैं बहुत ज्यादा करती हूँ. ये वो उनमें से दिनों में से है. And
चलो, I am glad.
You've come, na?
You should reserve this day for curly tails. And Sunday brunch.
Yeah. Listen, I didn't cheat during the wedding.
Hey Bhagwan.
So I'm very like regimental. Like it to my peril. Like it's sometimes exhausting. But
Today is a special day.
This is my vice. I don't cheat wheat, but I cook some vices.
होना चाहिए.
कुछ तो नहीं.
वरना तो मतलब है ना कुछ तो. You really love your diet cook, don't you? एक cheers कर लो कैमरा के लिए. I get it.
Oops. तो खा ही ले.
Of course खाना ही है यार.
स्मेल इतना यार पोज करके. Too good यार. Isn't it too good?
This is really good. But since you tell me that you're so particular about your diet and everything, what is it that you usually eat like?
Like I love ghar ka khana, so I just make sure I eat at home. So I've yo-yoed a lot in life. I was skinny as a kid, then I gained a lot of weight school ke time mein. And then I lost a lot of weight because I was bone thin when I was 21, 22. 46 kgs for a 21-year-old. Like in 2016, I gained a lot of weight. Since then, I'm on this journey to lose weight and it's been very difficult for me. So I've just become that person which now I don't enjoy eating out. I don't enjoy cheating. If I do cheat, I feel very guilty. I don't have the healthiest relationship, I would say, with food. But I'm getting better. I was vegetarian for about 5-7 years. By choice, I became. Last year, I started eating non-vegetarian again because I was not losing weight. I eat high protein, but I eat ghar ka khana. Like I have anda toast subah. I have after my gym protein shake, I have a roti with some protein, sabzi, dahi. Night again, I'll have. I won't have carbs, but I'll have one kind of protein again with sabzis. I love dahi.
Eating out and all is not a part
I don't
of
like only eating out. Like it's not something that gives me.
What
joy.
about Sharan?
He loves eating out and he loves Asian food and he loves ordering from out.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's quite a struggle like that.
But does it feel like too hard to resist, or your body and you have become used to?
It's for me, you can dabao this entire table can be filled with food and I won't even budge.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's impressive.
Yeah.
And what is that one dish that you will actually give in for?
Like, I really crave chicken chawal, dal, rajma chawal, those
Ghar-
kind
wo
of
bhi
things.
ghar ka.
I need to eat ghar ka. So even when we go on holidays, by the 4th day, I was like, acha kuch Indian restaurant dhoond do, mere ko koi dal fry chahiye.
You're Punjabi?
I'm Punjabi.
And Sharan?
Sindhi Punjabi and I'm Punjabi Haryani.
So like, are there any Sindhi dishes that he's introduced you to?
Dhan saag and Sindhi curry. But I'm like a curry chod. I go to my Gujarati friend, I have her Gujarati curry. I go to my Sindhi friends and I have their Sindhi curry.
And there's a Punjabi curry
Then there's
also.
a Punjabi curry. I'm a curry chod. Anywhere I just go and have curry. I love curry.
Okay. So we'll play a game where I'm going to give you a few choices and you've got to choose one. So beaches or mountains?
Mountains, any day.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Room service or exploring?
I am a room service person, but because of Sharan, I've started exploring. I'm like, oh, okay, it's not too bad.
Oh my God. Why do these opposite people get married?
Like, I literally we went to Switzerland and I was like, I am so happy to just be in a snow-clad mountain in a little chalet and watch TV. And he's like, are you crazy? And he's like, made a whole 10-day plan. And I said, oh God, I feel like I'm the school teacher just torturing me. But then at the end of the 10 days, I was like, thank God you did that, because if it was on me, I'm late ke bas TV dekhte rehte.
Yeah,
So,
my God.
yeah.
My husband is exactly like
Yeah.
that, and I'm the one who's making like a checklist of
Plan.
things to
Yeah,
do.
yeah.
Photos or privacy?
Privacy.
Adventure or relaxation?
A bit of both.
Early mornings or late nights?
Early mornings.
Couple spa or sightseeing?
Couple spa,
I
please
know.
God.
No points for guessing.
And Sharan doesn't like I don't like being touched. I don't like. अच्छा ये भगवान इस लड़के का.
I hope he doesn't say that to you. I hope not.
So, but it's like
Yeah.
then I don't get my massages. You know,
True.
sometimes you go like an exchange, like you tell your partner, "Acha, I give you a massage, then you give me 10 minutes after."
Yeah.
He doesn't want. So what do I bribe him with?
Oh,
You know what I mean? That's a tough one.
Luxury hotel or Airbnb?
Luxury hotel,
Window seat or aisle seat?
window seat.
Okay. But I'm sure you guys have a group chat, you girls,
Yeah.
right? We're going to do the group chat awards, okay? Tell me, who's the one who keeps sending pictures every day?
Our friend Devika, because she just had a baby boy, So
Oh.
every single day we get a picture or video of him.
So all your friends are now moved to the next phase of having babies.
3 have babies, 1 is pregnant.
Who sends the most good morning reels?
No one.
Who takes 500 photos but never send and never share?
Tanya, this our friend of ours who lives in London, she comes with a bloody camera, right? So we all like, okay, why will we use our phone? She has a camera. 3 years have passed. We are begging her, saying, please, can we just have one photo? Just never. It's just lost in the abyss.
Who sends maximum memes or reels?
I send a lot of memes on Instagram. Like
Okay.
not memes, you know, like the ones you share to make fun.
Who has the hottest tea but never spills it?
We are all spillers. We are all spillers.
This is all gossip happening in
This
this
group
group.
is a safe space. Nothing goes out and nothing comes in.
Group chat का home minister.
This guy.
और सबसे पहले guys मुझे भूख लगी है कौन बोलता है?
Oh God, this our friend Meghna. Whose outfit I'm wearing, by the way. I'm quite.
This is your friend's outfit?
Yeah, I like it's her brand, Summer.
Oh, okay, like that.
Summer way. She's always hungry, and then she has the best body in the world. So again, she's a mystery.
Who gives the best advice?
I'd like to believe me. I feel I'm emotionally very equipped to handle a lot of stuff.
Bill split करने में CA कौन बन जाता है?
Meghna again, Kripa, all like that way. All of them are very good. We have a Splitswise ka one app. Everyone puts everything on Splitwise. End of trip.
Tell me what does love really mean to you? And has it changed over the years?
Love in general to me has evolved. I feel like, so I'd even said this in my vows. I started with like, I always thought I knew what love was and I knew what it felt like to be loved. And I don't think I did. I feel like Sharan has opened my eyes to a different kind of love, which is just very kind, easy, and selfless, and calm, and not dramatic.
Who's the more possessive one?
I don't think either of us are possessive. I do believe this is something my past relationships have taught me. I feel you're only as possessive or insecure as the opposite person makes you. I have a lot of guy friends and Sharan loves all of them, and you know, I'm very close to them, and so I understand. So I feel like you are only as insecure as the other person makes you, and I don't think Sharan and I give each other that chance to feel insecure or a reason.
And do you ever like check each other's phones?
Never have.
In the last 4 years also, kabhi bhi nahi.
Never have. Like I've always felt like I'm always chasing drama because there's always been chaos. And the piece of it is what is like, this is to keep.
And tell me, you know, having girlfriends and then when you have a boyfriend, do you often seek an approval of all your girlfriends?
100%.
Really?
I
So Sharan had to go through 9 rounds of tests?
No, I feel like they are also very intuitive, and like if I've introduced them to a ex before, malab chance bhi nahi diya, saying no chance. And I'm like, "Arey, milo to, we don't need to. I don't like him. You want to be with him? Fine. I don't like him." Like instantly they've known, and they've turned out to be the shittiest guys in the world. And with Sharan, people just adored him, and that's one thing I've even said before, that what I love so much about him is that everybody loves him. Like he was just in everybody's eyes, he's that person, that gem who everyone wants to take care of. So I love that his friends loved him and my friends adore him instantly. Like the ones who don't live here, I've FaceTimed them, and you know, they've opened the phone and me with some random boy, and they are just smiling and he's saying hi and I love you. Oh my God, the best, I love you. So it's his vibe. You're just so attracted to him.
But it was so important. अगर आपकी किसी friend ने reject कर दिया होता, you would take it very seriously.
It would bother me because they know me. I just feel like क्या जब आप इतने close रहते हो किसी से भी, you know them, you know, you can see what they can't see. So I feel like my friends have a very good understanding of the kind of person I need in my life, and they've seen me been through the frogs.
Yeah.
So you know,
Before you found your friends,
before I found the
okay.
friends. So I feel like it would be important because they're clearly seeing something.
What's that one thing that really annoys you?
Because we're still unpacking and moving in, I can't throw this. It was in my 6th standard. I won best cricket wicketkeeper. So I said, what do you mean? You're like 3,000 years old now. Like, you are far from the 6th standard. Can we please? No, it's sentiment. Okay, we'll keep it. What is this? My umpire's hat from... So I said, Sharan. Like, he refuses to throw anything. He's still too attached to all of his things.
Yeah. But how does it make you feel every time you declutter? This is for everybody who loves to keep everything intact and keep hoarding stuff.
I think it's therapeutic. You feel lighter in your mind. You feel calmer in your brain. I don't know, it's almost a physiological reaction where you feel like weight has been lifted off you.
Yeah.
I love decluttering.
Okay, who's in charge of the AC remote?
Sharan, man, he's quite a bully like that. Because I've been saying, please, 23 degrees, it's 22 every day.
Okay.
Every day.
And you want 23.
I want 23.
मतलब एक डिग्री में क्या ही फर्क
So
पड़ेगा?
psychologically, they said that it's better for the environment if it's 23, 24. So in my head, I was like, एक ही तो degree है, not 23. And he's like, but गर्मी लग रही है. But I said, but it's good for the environment. So it's just stuck in my head.
TV remote.
2 separate rooms. His room.
Ah,
He's
okay.
there. I'm here. I watch TV in bed. He likes his whole surround sound, and director Saab is in work
Nice.
mode when he's watching.
Nice.
Yeah.
You guys discuss a lot of work given that you both are in the same industry.
No, not really, actually. I think that's a precedent we set before only. Of course, when I want to talk about work and he wants to talk about work, it's an open and safe space. But we make it a point to have more to life than this. I feel talking just sorts everything.
And Sharan is also the same. He likes to talk, or he'll be like,
He'll say what he which I feel in the first couple years this was our teething issue because मैं कुछ बोलती थी I've had a very bad day and I'd cry and I'd talk to him and he'd say some things and then 5 minutes later he's like अच्छा so I was saying you know something I'm like you're changing the topic. He's like but we spoke na. I said but not enough and he's like but और क्या है बोलने में? But I'm like नहीं बात करना है और करना है मुझे. So I was like you're so insensitive. How can you just change the topic? And he's like because कुछ है ही नहीं अभी बोलने के लिए और. So I feel he gets to the mudda, moves on, where I little bit fester.
what's your most memorable moment with Sharan?
I feel like the holidays we've taken, maybe our first holiday together, we went to Dubai. And we just saw a relaxed, happy, childlike side to each other and we realized, oh, we both are the same person, just 2 children.
Okay.
Yeah, like literally his mom jokes saying your wedding is like both your combined birthday party because we both are like 2 kids, just happy 2 children.
Who cleans more?
Me. No, who cleans? Full stop.
Not more.
More? He does not clean.
One thing that he's changed about himself, or you changed about him.
I think I've made him more sensitive.
Who shops more?
Me.
Who controls the decor?
Me.
Who controls the remote?
Him.
Who has a better taste?
Me.
Biggest home disagreement?
We've actually been quite a dream team with the home. We've not disagreed on much. I
Really?
think
And that's a big win.
a lot of people have said, so कितनी झगड़ा, लड़ाइयाँ हुई क्योंकि ये तो I said honestly none. We are very good because I lead and he followed with the house. He was very good about it. And because he liked my aesthetic. I think we both have the same aesthetic,
Yeah.
so he trusted me with that. I know a big fight. How tikha the food should be.
So he likes tikha.
He likes.
You like tikha.
I love tikha. Like I can have 3 lal mirchis, khat like that. So I need lots of masala and tikha in my khana, and he doesn't like that at all.
Okay. And one thing he changed about
He's
you.
made me more calm.
Okay. Who gets more annoyed with anyone peeping into their phones?
Like into the opposite person's phone. I think we both.
No, like anybody else also peeping into your phone.
Like that. I think him more. He's too private a person.
So he doesn't like anybody peeping into his phone.
Talking about him, saying anything, something. He's just like he's very nervous of any outside energies.
So on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, there's a privacy display. The minute you switch that on, nobody can peep into your phone. अजय अभी हमने शरण की इतनी बातें कर ली है. I really want to have the फिरनी. मेरे लिए स्पेशल बनी है.
Specially. Let's go. ये क्या हो रहा है आज?
सुनो, make sure कारपेंटर्स जाने से पहले
Yeah,
आप ये फिक्स
yeah,
करा
yeah.
लेना, okay?
सिर्फ एक जन जा सकता है आज. I was going to say let's microwave it. I've lost my brains.
Oh,
Like I've lost it.
need help? Okay.
Please.
Oh,
Okay, it's not me.
मैंने ऐसे इतना
Style में.
confident, I know style में बोला I'll do it. नहीं अभी तो मैं
करना ही पड़ेगा.
हो गया. नहीं. हो
मेरे तो
जाएगा.
नाखून उड़ेंगे so
मैं नाखून यूज ही नहीं कर रही. कहाँ से मंगाई? ऐसा कैसा डब्बा है ये? बहुत प्रेशियस फिरनी है. दीदी
कर लो. Now see how she does it in a second. ये हम बॉम्बे के
Face
लोग हैं.
palm.
हम बॉम्बे के लोग हैं. ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम है. अरे हाथ में दे दिया. प्लेट दे दो ना. प्लेट. I know where the plates are. Don't tell me. मत बताओ.
प्लेट.
I knew that.
So thank you so much.
Yes.
Akanksha, it was so much fun
Yeah,
chatting
me
with
too.
you,
Yeah.
enjoying these burgers. Thank you
Yes.
for getting a sneak peek into your house, even though it's not fully ready. But thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.